Hey friends, we're going to take just a couple of minutes and review our so, me, and la. So if you look over here at our ladder first, remember that so and me are a skip. It's a skip because fa is in between. And so and la are a step because they're right next to each other. And you can physically see that on our staircase. Me to so, you got to skip a step because fa is in between. And so to la are one step apart. So remember that our notes go line, space, line, space, line, space. So if we're looking at our music staff, remember our staff is written on 5 lines, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 4 spaces, 1, 2, 3, 4. They have it color-coded for this example that me is yellow. We can see that me is on a line. So if me is on a line, we know that so is on the line above it, which is blue, and that matches here and over here. And one step up from so is la, okay? So since so is on a line and la is one step up and our notes go line, space, la is going to be a space note, okay? So if so happened to be on a space and la is one step up, would la be on a line or a space? If so is on a space, la must be on a line. Let's look at a couple of examples and sing together. All right, so when I look at this first example here, where do I begin? Like, how do I know what could possibly be what? Think about that for a quick second. Well, as I'm looking at it, I know that we were only talking about 3 pitches. We were talking about so, me, and la. I know that me is the lowest sounding pitch out of those 3. So as I look at my staff, I know that this ending 8th pair, 8th note pair is my me because it's the lowest on the staff. So if I know that me is on a space, then that tells me that so is on the space above it. Awesome. So now we know that so and me are on spaces. Since so is on a space, one step up from so would mean that la is on a line. And look, it's right there. So we have so, la, so, me. Listen to that one more time. So, la, so, me. Can you sing that with me? Ready? Here we go. So, la, so, me. Awesome. Make sure you're doing your hands with it as well. Let's look at our next example. So take a look at that one on your own. Think about those clues that I just gave you to help you figure out what we're working with. Remember, we're only using pitches so, la, and me. Yeah, if you're looking, it almost looks like it's the same as the one above, except they moved so down. We moved it down a step. So now so is on a line, which means that la one step above is on the space, then back to so, and then me is on the line below it. So it's a little bit of a change and a little rhythm change. All right, listen and repeat. My turn. So, la, so, me. Do that with me. Ready? Here we go. So, la, so, me. Awesome. And our last example. Take a look at it. This one's a little bit trickier. So this last one, we have notes in the space here. And we have notes on a line, and then we have notes in that same space again. So we said that me is normally our lowest pitch, but I don't see any skipping notes. I see a space note, and then one step up I see a line note. And then it goes back to that same one, and then a rest. So this one doesn't have me in it. This just has so. And we can tell that because so and la are neighbors. They're one step apart. So this example would be so, la, so. Do that with me. Ready? Here we go. So, so, la, la, so. Awesome job.